Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello students, a warm welcome for the GK topic of Standard 3. Hello students, this is a new topic for you in your GK subject, that is freedom fighter. There are many men and women who dedicated their lives to freedom, equality and justice. Their stories inspire us even today. Let us learn about a few of them. So we are going to see some of the famous freedom fighters. Let us see, there are clues given about them and we are going to see from the bracket and give the answer. He fought for equality and justice for all Americans. The speech, "I Have a Dream," is very well known. The name of the person is Martin Luther King Jr. Okay, he was from America. The second one is, this pleasant girl led French army to victory over the English forces. She is symbol of French unity. Now in French also, that is in France also, there was a problem going on, but this simple girl named Joan of Arc. Her name was Joan of Arc. She had led to the army to a victory over the English forces. Okay, so second answer is Joan of Arc. Now third, she is famous in history for her brave fight against the British. She was one of the leaders of the revolt of 1857 in India. In India also, children, when Britishers were ruling our country, this famous lady that named Rani Lakshmibai was who had fought against British in 1857. So the third answer is Rani Lakshmibai. Then fourth one, he is remembered for his long fight against the government policy of segregation between whites and non-white. He later became the president of South Africa. There is none other than Nelson Mandela. Children, he was a very famous person. He had fought for this problem, that is whites and non-white. The fair people, that is white people, were ruling over the South Africa, but because of Nelson Mandela, they all have to give up, and then they told all people are same, and that person is Nelson Mandela. Let us see in the next topic. Okay children, the next topic what we are going to see is about superhero. We all like to see superheroes in the films and comic books with special power, which they use for saving people and fighting bad people. They wear special clothes such as caps and masks, and so that no one knows who they are in everyday life. Okay, so let us see at a few of these superheroes what we are going to see in the fill in the blank wise, and in the bracket children all the names are given. Now first one, ability to climb walls, swing from building to building, and ability to shoot spider web. So that is none other Spider-Man. Okay, then second one, power of stretching and compressing hand, legs and neck and shape shifting, that is Miss Marvel. And third, superhero soldier with super strength, agility and reflexes, that is Captain America. Then fourth one, superhuman strength, ability to fly and X-ray, that is Superman. Okay, so these all are the superheroes what we always like to watch on the TV and movie. Okay, let's see the next topic. Okay children, we'll see the next topic is about continents. Now you must be thinking, what is continents and what are oceans? Now we'll see in detail, and then I'll show you on the map which is there on the screen. Now continents are large area of land on the earth. What is continents? Continents are large areas on the land on the earth. And there are 7 continents in the world. Now when I'm going to tell you about the 7 continents, you see on the screen the names are given. First is North America, which you can see in the black written over there. Okay, then second is South America. Then just above you can see on the screen Europe. Then under Europe is Africa, And then with the largest continent, we can see the biggest continent is Asia. Now Asia, children, where India is also located, where we are staying in the country India. Okay, and the other one, the smallest one, is Australia. So now we came to know, children, the 7 continents of the whole world I have shown you on the screen. Now we'll come to the oceans, children. Now what is exactly the meaning of ocean? Oceans are large areas of water on the earth. Now in the whole world, children, there are some oceans, and wherever the water is there, the place is called ocean. Okay, on the earth. Now there are different kind of oceans also. Now one by one I'll show you on the screen again. You can see on the screen Pacific Ocean, then you got Atlantic Ocean, and then you have Indian Ocean, and then Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, these are all the oceans, well, like you can say big seas. Okay, in that all salt water is there. So this was about the continents and ocean topic. Let's see in the next topic. Yes, children, this is a new topic for you. It is related with your English grammar. As I told you, children, in GK, all these topics are mixed. So you have a little bit of grammar which you have already done. Let's see. I'll do a little bit more explanation. Then I'm going to tell you the answer. The topic antonyms. An antonym is a word that is opposite in meaning to a given word. For example, small is an antonym of big. Now you must have learned in English, and if you're not learning grammar, children, even I'll teach you. And antonyms is a word that is opposite in the meaning to a given word. So select the correct antonym from the below bracket. You have got the words over there, and you have to write a proper antonym of that, which is there in the bracket, seeing from there. So the first one is new. Now new means something new. What will be the opposite of that? Old. Now second one is long. The opposite of long is short. S-H-O-R-T, which is there in the bracket. Then so opposite of happy will be sad. Opposite of bad will be good. Opposite of black will be white. Opposite of day, that is sixth one, will be night. Then seventh one is true. The antonyms or opposite will be false. Then eighth one is full. The answer will be empty. Then ninth one, heavy. The answer will be light. The 10th word is fat. The antonyms or the opposite of that will be thin. Noisy, quiet. Big, small. Okay, so this was an antonyms topic, which is very interesting to write. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you, students.